Tequila is made from the agave plant, a spiky succulent that thrives in the desert. According to ABC News, it's farmed in Mexico for its sugary heart, which can be processed into alcohol. But scientists in Australia have a whole different plan for agave. They want to turn it into fuel. According to a report from the University of Sydney, agave fuel could be much more efficient than other kinds made from corn or sugarcane. All of these plants have natural sugars that can be fermented into ethanol, which is the world's leading biofuel. But corn and sugar are higher maintenance crops, using up precious water and energy. A 5-year experiment farming agave plants in Australia found that they could produce more ethanol while cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions and using much less water. The hardy desert plants needed 69% less water than sugarcane and 46% less than corn, according to the study in Journal of Cleaner Production. As climate change leads to droughts, we might find ourselves thanking the tequila plant.